Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 62. Which could be the graph of y equal x squared plus 3x plus k, where k is an integer? Let's start review on some of the keywords here. So we know that the y equal x squared plus 3x plus k, that is the quadratic equations in general form, right? Okay, then the next thing we have to looking at is we have to find where the vertex. When you find the vertex, you see that it's easy for distinguish between the graph, right? So we find the x value of the vertex, and also h is the axis of symmetry of the graph given by that. Then we have to looking at the coefficients factor to see if it's concave up or concave down. And k is the integer, just the number, right? Okay, so let's start with this one. Now let's see, we have a here, a x squared plus bx plus c. So a in this case is 1 x squared. Remember, x squared is 1x squared, right? So even though we don't see any, but it's 1. So a equal 1 greater than 0. A greater than 0, so it's concave up. So when you see that, you eliminate e because it's concave down. Okay. Now next, when you find the axis of symmetry for this graph, we'll have y equal 1x squared plus 3x plus k. Now for the formula, we have y equal a x squared plus bx plus c. So a is 1, b is 3, and c is k, right? Now we find the axis of symmetry by saying h equal, also the vertex will be h comma k. H will be minus b over 2a, which is minus 3 over 2 times 1. That is negative 3 over 2. So x will be negative value. So anything is positive value right here. See that the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is the dashed line go through the vertex. Okay, and you see on the left side of the graph is this look alike to, or is mirrored to the right. Okay, so this one is x positive, x greater than 0. See that at that point? Because it's on the right side of the 0. See, this one also positive. This one also x is positive. E we already eliminate, but we see this one is less than 0. So negative 3 over 2 here is possible, right? 0 here, this on the left, so that less than 0. So we see this one, D is the correct answer. A, no. B, no. C, no. So the axis of symmetry formula is really important to working on this problem. By looking at the axis of symmetry, you can also eliminate three choices. And with the concavity, like looking for the coefficient A, you already eliminate 50-50 for D and E if you do it at last. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.